New toy has arrived. It's a solar powered pond filter, and let's see. So there's a filter, there's a battery, and there's two solar panels. Here is some rocks, some porous rocks, and I think my grandfather, who is almost 90 years old, is gonna help me fix it and put it at the pond.
Ja, 5 schäbig. Geht nicht. Geht nicht. So, da müssen wir anzeichnen. Und so das Holz wäre hier. Können wir da ins Holz lang.
Here's what my grandfather has prepared while I was working, and now we're gonna put it all into place. Cat, why do you want to go inside? We forgot to put a fuse in, so we were waiting and waiting, but now the fuse is in. Now I can push on solar. Okay. Okay, on solar. Voila! And there it is with a light, and I'll show you again in the morning. Something seems to be blocked, so let's see.
Many months later.
Hey? How did the dog get into the chicken pen? And the dog is eating all the chicken food. Ah. Uh-huh. Huh? I'll help you, dog. That's how the dog gets in there. It's been 2 or 3 months since my grandfather, my father and I have put the pond filter in, and it's working great. And as soon as we put it in, the fish all started to come out of their hiding places. So that was really awesome. So I'll do a quick change, and then this video is finished. I have to unplug the filter first. Aha. Huh. You do that once a month and the filter is awesome. My grandfather still has a secondary filter, and since he looks out for the pond more than me, then I'll let him have it. Yeah, so now after 3 months, the video of the solar powered pond filter is complete. Done.